Good evening, girls. In labor caste, in problem number 18, with the help of the following information, you are required to ascertain the wages paid to workers X and Y under the Taylor system. This was asked in the question, and the given information is standard time allowed 10 units per hour. Normal wage rate is rupee 1 per hour, and he has asked you to calculate in two differential piece rate systems, that is 75% for the low performer and 125% for the above standard performer. The workers have produced in a day of 8 hours as X 60 units and Y 100 units. This was the given problem. Now coming to when you are finding the particular work, because here for low performers and high performers he has asked, the standard time allowed is 10 units per hour, he has to, and the time rate is rupee 1 per hour. So the normal piece rate as per is 1 by 10th, means what is the piece rate, because here he has given rupee 1 per hour. So that is the reason you need to find out the standard time 10 units per hour. The piece rate per unit will be 1 rupee per 100 unit. 10 units means per unit is 1 by 10th, that is 10 paise. Now coming to the differential piece rate system, that is 75% for the low performer and 125% for the high performer. This comes to 75% of the low performer. What is the rate which is given? Because if everything goes on right track, the normal rate is rupee 10 paise. So for the low performer, he is asking you to give 75% of the normal wage rate. That is 75 by 100 means 75% into 0.10. That is normal piece rate is equal to 0.075. And high piece rate he is asking to give it 125% means 120 by 100 into 0.10, that is 0.125. Now standard output for 8 hours is, he has given in the problem that standard hours is 80 and 10 units per hour, means the standard output will be 10 units into 8 hours, that is equal to 80 units should be produced. And in this problem X has produced 60 units, means he is a low performer, so he must be given low piece rate. Therefore, X wages is equal to 60 units he has produced into low performer units, that is 0.075. That comes to 4.75. So, X must be given low performance. And Y has produced 100 units and the standard units are 80. So, he has produced 100 units, means he has produced more than the standard. So, he must be given high piece rate. Therefore, Y wages is equal to 100 into 0.125 means high performance wages, that is equal to 12.50. Now let us see how the problem number 19 will be in the textbook. So what is that? In the problem number 19 you were given is an operator engaged in machining certain components receives an ordinary rate of rupees 1.60 per day of 8 hours. The standard output in the given problem, the standard output of machine component has been fixed at 80 pieces per hour, time fixed for. On a certain day, the output of the worker for the machine is 800 pieces. Find the labor cost per 100 pieces of the wages that have been earned. So always whenever you are calculating, you need to calculate for 100 hours of the pieces. So calculation of wages when bonus is given 0.23 paise. First question he has asked is if bonus is paid 0.23 per 100 extra output. So therefore actual output of a day of 8 hours is 800 pieces as given in the problem. And less actual out means standard output. What is the standard output? 8 hours a person can produce 80 pieces per hour. That implies 640 pieces. So 800 pieces is the actual production, standard is 640. So the extra output is 160 units. So ordinary wages for the day which is given in the problem is 1.60, for which extra bonus will be given for 160 pieces, means he has produced more 160 units. So more 160 units into 0.23 paise which he has given, bonus must be given. So that is 0.37. So his total workers earnings for the first option is 1.97. And next he has asked for straight piece rate based on standard rate. So standard time produce 800 pieces at the rate of 80 pieces means actually standard time he has to take is 10 hours. and wages he has taken for 8 hours. So what is the rate per hour means that is equal to wages for 10 hours is equal to actually he has produced 160 hours extra saved, and this is normally actually he has to produce 80 hour pieces. So rupees 10 hours extra, that means he must be given 2 rupees, and the labor cost per 100 pieces means in the problem it was asked if the labor cost, what will be the labor cost if 100 pieces are produced. So 100 for 800 units it is 2 rupees, for 100 units it will be how much, means 0.25. And the last option you were asked is Halsey premium plan, where 50-50 means 50% of the 1/2 will be taken into consideration. Normally wages given in the problem per day is 1.60, and bonus I think you will be knowing standard time minus time taken divided by 2 into R rate. So standard time he has to take 10 hours, which is there we have already calculated here, and 8 means he has taken 8 hours. So what is this? That is time saved by 50%, means 1/2 into rate, that is 1.60. So that comes to 0.20. So already normal rate is 1.60 and Halsey bonus is 0.20. So here his wages is 1.80. And labor cost per 100 pieces produced is for 800 units it is 1.80. For 100 units it will be 0.225. Thank you girls.